Hi everyone, I'm dressed up, but I'm not going anywhere. In fact, I'm at home here in England in the third lockdown. But I'm dressed like this because in this video I want to show you what to wear in Santorini. But before starting, I'm gonna ask you guys please to subscribe to my channel, like this video and active the notifications so you don't miss my next videos. I've been to Santorini twice, the first time in August 2014 and the second in the end of May 2019. Because I want to produce some content to my site, YouTube channel, Pinterest and Instagram accounts. Kalimera, morning, bom dia, a little bit chilly and windy here in Santorini today. And because my clothes were too old, I decided to buy new outfits for my trip to Santorini. When we think about Santorini, the first things that spring to mind are whitewashed houses, blue domed churches and glamorous infinite swimming pools. The most common colors on the Cyclades, the group of islands that Santorini and Mykonos are part of, are blue and white. The island has predominant pastel colors, and it is the reason that you should think about these colors when packing to Santorini. You should select clothes in white, all shades of blue, green, beige and light gray colors. If you want, you can also add something that is trendy at the moment. For example, when I went to Santorini, these shirts, they were very trendy and they are nice for summer because it's relaxed fit and you can pair with everything that I suggested. White pants, these shorts, with this one as well. You should avoid at all costs dark colors, particularly black. Remember that's going to be hot in Greece, and the white color reflects the light, which results in less absorption of the heat, while dark colors absorb more light and heat. Whether you are going to Santorini in spring or summer, choosing the right fabrics is the key to dress comfortably. The best fabrics for hot weather are linen, chambray, lightweight wool as well as summer wool and cotton, but forget thick cotton t-shirts and choose lighter ones. You should avoid fabrics like rubber, leather, polyester, acrylic and denim. You should also stay away from distinctive logos and novelty designs. We all know that a wrong pair of shoes can ruin our trip. To compose your outfit for Greece and choose the perfect summer shoes, you can use the same criteria we use for the clothes. So think about light fabrics and colors, something more relaxed and breathable. Sandals, light trainers, boat shoes, espadrilles, loafer suede for a more dress-up look are good for summer. Which one to take will depend on your style. I choose a pair of white trainers, sandals and running shoes. Remember that the island is full of cobblestone streets, stairs, hills and narrow alleyways. A pair of comfy shoes is a must. to make your composition stand out. Don't forget to bring some accessories. A pair of sunglasses or two and a hat will not only protect you from the sun, but also give a final touch to your Santorini outfits. Don't forget to bring some bracelets, necklaces, scarves if you want, and a watch. I love hats because it gives a very nice and chic touch to your look. The pictures will be much better when you have the hat on. You don't need to bring all your hats from your home, like me. You can buy one in Greece and help the local economy. If you are visiting Santorini in May or October, don't forget to bring a blazer or a jumper. I prepared a packing list for a 3-day trip, and you can find it on my site. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video, such as my social media accounts. Please don't forget to follow me. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Safe travels and have fun in Santorini. Beijos!